Welcome to Joel's 3 here. So today I'm going to just show on how I analyze the market. So this is how I analyze the market. I'm also just a trader trying to share my journey with you guys and trying to make it. So here we mark our breakout structure and also come to this side. We mark this one as well, the liquidity taken by the market, and we can also see the internal liquidity. So here you can also mark the internal breakout structure. After marking everything, you can also mark where you are like the high of the market. So assuming now you were in this market and the market was on this side and the market has just dropped, as you can see, so you mark also here as your TP. So you can see there it looks cool. So as you can see, let's first run add up something like this at this one. I don't think that one is allowing. So you can see the market came. You can see the market came, gave us a pullback, and took liquidity, gave us a pullback, gave us a pullback, then it went down, gave us a massive one. So it went down up that side and gave us now a quick V. As you can see, a V there. So here is where our high is, where our TP is supposed to be. So that means that this is our TP, where our TP is. Then here is where this side is where we are supposed to look for other blocks. So from this side, we are going to scale down. We are going to scale down to the lower time frames to get our entries. Okay. So as I said, we can scale down. We always get our entries always on our lower time frames, or either you can also get from your higher time frames. It depends on the type of trader you are. So as for me, I like always holding, swing, then also I'm just like a day trader, just like that. So here you can come to this side, you go to h4, you can mark any candle you see here. You can see, you can mark open close. In that open close, you can also see this one here, mark that one too. After marking it, then you go back to h1, check on it. You can see it very well. The market just dropped from here to enter to the point, then came down. So that means that we can also refine our point of interest. So in our refining our order block or open close, our point of interest. So here I hope you can see it very well. You can refine it to this side. Then here also we can take the first one, because this one now it shows like the market first took liquidity, because you can't just put it there. The market took liquidity and the market can't come back again there. The market can't just come and delay there. So here the market took liquidity, so it came now and fulfilled the OBs here, or the point of interest. So we remove that one. So as you can see, the thing was as cool as you can see. So you pick your short position, put it in a perfect position, then drop it down. You can see, put your stop loss below. Just as simple as that. You can see. So we are waiting for it to hit TP. Let it smash that TP. You can either hold or just leave it. That's how we do trading. We do it. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I know my videos are short because I don't have a lot of time. Thank you.